So then, how do you frame your shots? This is really a field of study unto itself, but one of the more fundamental guidelines is to use the rule of thirds. This consists of dividing the frame horizontally into equal thirds and doing the same thing vertically as well. These lines and the points where they intersect become the most potent places to put key elements in the frame. In the opening shot of the Assurance, for example, we have Cordelia sitting in the right third of the frame. The idea here is that 1/3 of a frame with a person in it has the same visual weight as 2/3 of a frame without a person in it. So this is actually a balanced composition. It feels more comfortable and pleasing to the eye than, say, moving her over like this. And this isn't purely a filmmaking concept. This is just good design. We see this principle used here by Tarantino, here by Spielberg, here by Scorsese, but also here by Van Gogh, and here by Rembrandt. I use this all the time when framing shots during the Assurance. Sometimes I would put the subject directly on the line to give them some space, and sometimes I would smash them into the whole 1/3 of the frame, like on the opening shot. This creates a well-designed frame that also can feel a little claustrophobic if that's what the story calls for. As you can see from all these examples, you do have a little bit of wiggle room. It's not like you need to bust out a ruler and start measuring pixels or something. It's more of the visual weight of the shot and how it feels. And all that will vary based on what's going on in the shot, what's happening in the background, and all that other stuff. And not every shot follows this rule. Occasionally, we want to make a more bold statement with our framing. So let's look at some ways to do that in the next few movies.